away. Pew! No, my life's still better. Huh? Someone there? There's something weird on the Jefferson. No, not the crew. Well, yeah, the crew. But also something furry and weird and snorty. I want whatever it is not on the ship anymore. Got it?
There's something weird on the Jefferson. I was vacuuming and there's a lot more loose hair on the ship than usual.
Doesn't seem that much.
Bulging blops.
Maybe the captain's bolting again. Look, I'll keep an eye out, but right now I need to carry on checking the Crazy Rich Hans contract.
Diligent worker, that McLaren, really focused.
Remember the last time she focused on a contract?
She used that super shrink ray on herself to read the fine print.
When she focuses, she really focuses.
I'm bored now. I'm gonna go play on the ski slopes. The Crazy Rich Alan's got me.
What's with them?
Oh, the crew had an open mic comedy night. She won.
Is that funny? If anything, that joke's a bit humanist to me. I'm funnier than that.
Oh, you are really funny, Captain. Sometimes I sit with Nova and McLaren talking about how funny you are, and we just laugh and laugh and laugh.
Well, exactly.
You could be a comedian. You're always saying about how nobody listens to me. They have to listen to the comedian with a microphone. Huh. That always works for Nova. No, hang on. You are really funny, Captain. You could be a comedian. And we just laugh and laugh and laugh.
My new slopes are amazing, but I want a bigger one so my woos last longer.
Done. What colour snow would you like?
Purple.